Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you some ways to fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time. If you have been trying to create an Apple ID and encountered the frustrating message your account cannot be created at this time, you are not alone. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force reboot your iPhone. If you have encountering the Apple ID cannot be created at this time error, sometimes a simple forced restart of your device can resolve the issue. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider will appear. So slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is create Apple account using the App Store. For this, open the App Store app on your iPhone and then tap My Account button. Tap Create New Apple ID and follow the on-screen steps to create an Apple account by providing the required details such as email, phone and password, and you are done. And the next step is create Apple ID on a different network. If the Apple ID cannot be created at this time error persists, consider a network issue. Whether you are using Wi-Fi or mobile data, a weak or unstable connection can cause errors during account creation. By switching to a more reliable network, you may be able to bypass this problem and successfully create your Apple ID. If you are using Wi-Fi, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Or if you are on a mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi if available or vice versa. For this, open the control center and turn on the mobile data and turn off the Wi-Fi and you are done. And the next step is create Apple ID using iCloud.com. If you are still get that your account cannot be created at this time error, try creating your Apple ID through iCloud.com. This method allows you to set up your Apple account directly from the web, which can sometimes bypass issue encountered when trying to create an Apple ID through other Apple services or app. Any of your available devices like computer or tablet, open your browser and visit iCloud.com. And then on the iCloud homepage, click on Sign In. Then choose Create Apple Account. Then fill in the required details including your name, region, birthday, email, password and phone number to create an Apple account and you are done. And also you should change from phone call to text message. Sometimes the issue occurs during the verification process when Apple tries to confirm your phone number. If you use the phone call to send the verification code, switching to a text message can sometimes resolve this problem. For this, go to the Apple ID creation page, enter your phone number. When asked to choose between phone call or text message, select text message and check your phone for the verification code, enter it and proceed with the setup. Also, you should create Apple ID with a random password. Apple systems might be blocking account creation due to characters in the password that are too similar to the account's email or name. To resolve this, try creating your Apple ID with a completely random password. And the next step is update your iPhone. In some cases, if the iPhone software is outdated, this could be causing issues with creating new Apple ID. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. For this, go to settings, choose general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time error, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.